Let's see. Where are we going? Holy shit. This is awesome. Oh my god. Oh my god.
They even got your pillow.
Okay, I'm staying here forever. I know. I'm not going home. Holy shit.
Very, very nice.
This is awesome. All right, this is our fabulous room, suite, whatever you call it. I can't believe this place is crazy. They gave us some treats. There's a freaking tub there. There's like dog pillows. There's a million mirrors for when I don't look like I've just been on a flight for 16 hours. And yeah, this is pretty freaking amazing. Did like a fun bed thing. And wait for this. This is probably the most spectacular shower I've ever seen before, and people can see you when you're in the shower. All right, people, I'm not coming home. Somebody send Winston and Betty.